不要手带。哎 hello, welcome to Coffee Shop Talk with Uncle Roger. Yes, I am Uncle Roger. Yeah, behind is the Zoom background lah, not the real coffee shop lah. After the 1st of June, the CB only relax, not fully CB no more. Okay, so coffee shop still cannot go. Can tapao only. So you don't anyhow CB. Stay at home, especially for the old people. Try not to go out so often. The virus always attack old people. No choice lah. 想当年 right? Yeah. But old means old. So stay at home. Don't make a burden to the society or to the family. Stay at home. Anything ask your children go and buy for you. This is the best time. Yeah. So today will be the last season of the coffee shop talk. Yeah. So a bit very sad lah. But first I want to thank all the viewers, who watch my channel for the whole CB period. I know lah, some of you is the fourth one. Some of you I call and ask you to see, no choice. But still got viewer lah. Even there is only one viewer, Uncle Roger will also continue because I own self talk, own self happy. Kaki kong, kaki song. But no, because even got one viewer, I will also complete the show because I am the professional. And Uncle Roger is smart. Be like Uncle Roger. So anyway, thank you very much. And of course, my many the friends from the group, Jianghu, they very supportive of the Uncle Roger. And they come and talk to Uncle Roger on the Zoom. And you notice, if Uncle Roger talk only, this one the viewership. If I Zoom my friend, this one is the viewership. So you can see the difference between the viewership with the interviewee and without the interviewee. So that means that you guys come here not to see Uncle Roger, is to see the interview, to see the viewership. So, but never mind. So long it boosts up the channel viewership, I'm happy. I got a friend, his name is Tan Han Hui. He very smart. He do the investment one. So he tell me, 不管是黑猫或白猫, don't care the cat is the black or the white. Can catch the mice is the good cat. 会抓老鼠的就是好猫。So long the viewership go up, I don't care. I think maybe next time I do the interview only with the 帅哥 and 美女, the handsome man and the pretty girl. What do you all think? If you think that this is a good idea, please comment below. If I get 100 comments to ask me to do such an interview, then I will do it. Okay? So it's all up to you. Right. So as we're talking about the CB, so CB doesn't mean no more after 1st of June. Still have to practice the safety distance. Still have to wear the mask. Go into the lift, don't talk and talk and talk. Keep your mouth shut. Okay? If you want to talk your friend, don't talk in front of the face. Use the handphone and talk. Because the virus cannot go the handphone. So, please be careful. Coffee shop is still closed to eat or to dine in. Restaurant is still closed to dine in, but you can still tapao as normal. The new norm. You can visit your father, your grandfather in another estate, but only limit to 2 people. So actually for this, I think very long. Okay, say a family of 4 people. Okay, the husband, wife, and the 2 children want to go and see the children want to see the akong or the amma, right? Okay, so 2 people and only let's say, imagine the husband drive only. Wow. And make things worse. One they stay in the Bongo, one stay in the Boon Lay. Oh. So to go and visit, the husband have to drive the children one to see the Akong Ama. See already, right? Drive back. Drive the second children go. See Akong Ama. Then drive back again and drive the wife go. Wow. Like that, very tiring. But no choice. If we allow people to all go to the house, wow, so mati. Don't know who will pass the virus around. And they're very dangerous for the old people. Yeah, so I think even tough a bit, we have to endure. We already endure 2 months. Okay, what is another 2 more years, right? Teach your father and mother how to do the Zoom, FaceTime. Teach them about the TikTok. Show them how to watch the movie online. At least they got something to do. Not stay at home very boring, right? So take this opportunity that you can visit them, show them some new things, let them learn. So something for you to think about. And talk about thinking about. Actually, this CB got a lot of good thing also. For example, I see now the wedding. Can use Zoom. Wow, I never imagined wedding can use Zoom. Last time if I don't can use Zoom, I wait until now that I get married. No need the restaurant. No need to go out and take the picture. No need to go through the 姐妹 eat the wasabi smell the socks then do the push up and must give the $999.99 ang pao Then even better. Now the pak tor also can the Zoom. Everything also Zoom. Last time if I can pak tor the Zoom, save a lot of money. No need to go to watch the movie. No need to go and eat the restaurant. No need to buy the bear for the last time the girlfriends. Maybe 一只脚可以踏5个 Zoom. One leg can go 4 or 5 Zoom. Part at the same time. Yeah. Uncle Roger is smart. Be like Uncle Roger. Very good. Now the only thing I think haven't come out is the divorce over the Zoom. Actually, it's still possible if you can marry. Even the Soma also can be the Zoom. I think divorce possible. All the lawyer out there, be innovative. Go and think. See, I send the letter in the PDF and send to the 2 party. They just use the Adobe sign and sign. If you don't know what the Adobe sign, I leave the link below. You go and watch the video. What is an Adobe sign? After the Adobe sign, divorce already. But got one more problem. The CB right cannot go to other place, so they still have to stay in the same room or the same house. So another problem also But anyway, this one not my problem. I let the minister solve. They very cham also so stressed nowadays. So never mind. As I say, we have to proceed with the CB with cautious. We have to, continue our safety practice. The mask, the safe distance become the new norm. And Uncle Roger now can see so many funny and happening thing. Actually, I feel very blessed to be staying in this era. Of course, the virus I don't like but really, the virus changed a lot of people's mindset, and a lot of people after this will have a different outlook in life. and hopefully it's for the better. So with that, I will end my coffee shop talk Thursday today. It is really sad, but as I said, 天下没有不散的宴席. All right, the world has actually I don't know how to translate that in English, but please go and Google it. Okay, and I'll see you. If you see me in the kopitiam in the future, please come forward and say, Uncle Roger, I want your signature and I want your picture. I will give you. I will take the selfie with you. Oh, I'm very friendly. So be remember to do that. So until the next time I see you, take care, stay safe. Okay.